Hello, welcome to Unit 2, Lesson 10, Introducing Graphs of Proportional Relationships Cool Down. In this cool down, it asks which graphs cannot represent a proportional relationship. It says to select all that apply and to explain how you know. So it's very important that you're not just telling us which ones are proportional, but you also have to explain how you know. So let's take a look at all of the graphs. So in graph 1, notice that there is a set of points being plotted. These are discrete points because there is no line connecting them. If I were to connect them with a line though, I can see that that line, when I draw it and connect all the dots, does eventually connect to the origin. So it does start in the 0, 0 in the origin. Now remember, the characteristics of a proportional graph is that the line must be straight and it also must connect to the origin. It has to run through that point. So here I can see that A is proportional. Okay, let's take a closer look at B. Now B already is a line drawn. It is straight, but notice it does not start in the origin. It actually starts, this is point 0, 5. So because it does not start in the origin, we would say that this is not proportional. If I take a look at C, again, I have some discrete points that are not connected by a line, but I could go ahead and connect these. And when I connect them, I notice it is actually more of a curve than a straight line. So since it is not a straight line, we would say it is not proportional. And then finally, if I look at D, it already provides a line for us. It is nice and straight. It starts in the origin. So I know that D is proportional. So going back to answer the question, which ones are non-proportional? That would be B and C. And I know this because graph B does not start in the origin and graph C cannot be connected by a single straight line. All right, thanks for watching.